subscriber giveaway.
It is?
It is.
What you've all been waiting for. What we've been promising when we got to 1,000 subscribers, and then it got a little bit delayed by the coronavirus.
That's pesky coronavirus.
But here we are. This is the video you've been waiting for. This is the video you're going to comment on, and right before we get off of this video, you're going to see the hashtag.
Yes.
That
the
we
hashtag
selected.
that I selected.
Yeah, she selected it, actually. Right? So, without further ado, this is going to be a short video. So,
Yes.
we're basically going to show you again. If you weren't on the live stream where we showed it, we're going to show it again. The stuff we're giving away. In the bag, the Essential Cruise Prize Pack. First and foremost, the first thing you get is this
Carnival bag.
I almost whack her on the face. This handy dandy Carnival bag.
This is a cool bag.
It is a cool bag. It's also got a little compartment on the bottom that unzips that is kind of hidden.
Yes.
So you get that. That's where all the stuff's going to be in.
Nice, honey. And what else do we have?
All right, perfect. So I'm going to let you start. You've got some stuff over there. So what's
We're
the first
gonna
thing we got?
It's got to have a first aid kit.
Got to have a first aid kit
We
going.
bring this with us every cruise.
We do.
So you two will have your own first aid
First aid kit. Mind me if I just look over here because I'm just trying to get the camera to focus on what we're doing. So
you're going to edit all that out anyway, probably.
First aid kit is the first thing that you will get.
Yes.
All right. Next thing you're going to get. Oh, what's she going to pick? What's she going to pick? What's she going to pick?
A set of... Sorry for all the noise. Towel clips. Your very own towel clips.
Right. Drinks, tropical drinks, and... birds.
Parrots.
Yeah, parrots. That's what. Yeah, one of those parrots.
So there you go.
Get a set of those.
Nice.
All right. Next thing.
You're gonna get a TERVIS Tumbler.
TERVIS
Your
Tumbler.
Own Carnival TERVIS.
Carnival
Tumbler.
TERVIS Tumbler.
That's very cool.
Right. Perfect.
Next you're gonna get is a handy dandy. What do we call
It's
this?
like a tote bag.
Tote
like
bag.
a little duffel bag. So if you pick up some gifts or...
Yeah, what's really nice is it's compact. It can go in your suitcase. So if you have to fill it up with souvenirs or gifts on your way back, you can open it up and carry it on the plane,
whatever you have
or
to
put
do.
it in the back of your car if you're driving.
Perfect. Handy dandy tote bag.
Nice. This is a must-have. Your very own pop-up hamper.
Foldable pop-up hamper.
Yep.
We always bring at least one, sometimes two.
Sometimes two, depending on how long the cruise is.
Exactly. So fold-up hamper.
Fold-up hamper.
That's right.
Next is your very own passport holder in black.
Very generic.
Yes.
We don't know. We didn't want to offend anybody by using pink. Kimberly voted for pink, but I thought we better go with black.
And if you are like us and like those warmer climate vacations, we've got a cooling towel for the back of your neck or your forehead.
Yeah, these things are great. You put some cold water on them and they stay cool for a long time.
Yes, they do.
Those are good. What do we got next?
And what we always take with us is, we're not going to take it out of the wrapper, but this is a set of packing cubes in
I think there's
black.
7 of them or 8 of them in there. I'm not sure. But
So you two will have your own
packing cubes. If you want to use them, we use them. We find them quite beneficial.
Yes, and we like them because you can take them out of the suitcase and then put them on the shelves in the cabin.
Yeah.
Also, you'll get a set of 4 of flip-flop and luggage tags. You got pink, blue, orange, and yellow.
Yeah.
Sold as a set. We're giving
only.
it to you.
We're giving you the whole set. Getting the whole set.
Also, your very own Carnival playing cards.
So that way you don't have to lose your money in the casino. You can just play cards in your cabin.
Those are nice to have when you're out on your balcony if you're in a balcony.
Exactly.
Also, you're going to get a Carnival luggage tag.
The Carnival Luggage Tag, I just focused on it.
Oh, there you go.
There you go. Carnival Luggage Tag.
These are a must-have.
Yes.
You're going to get 12 of these magnetic
clips
that you can put on the wall and hold stuff with.
Hold menus, room service menus, or
You'll get those.
your daily news.
In addition to magnetic things, you will also get your own magnetic hooks.
Let me focus. Let's try and it's there we go. We got it focused. Magnetic hooks. These are
heavy duty ones. They'll hold a lot. So
30,
you put
35, 45 pounds, something like that.
You can put your lanyards, your hats, whatever you want.
We hang one of our camera bags from.
Yes,
That's
we
how
do.
strong they are. So.
Yes.
In
addition to, I'm not going to take it out of the box, but this is a
focus. There we go. Good.
power hub, and this is a non-surge protected, so you can take this with you. It has 3 outlets and it has 3 USB ports, so this is very handy.
Pretty much the same one we take. Ours is round. This one's rectangular.
Yes, and the coveted hand sanitizer.
It's trying to focus. It's trying. Move it back just a little bit.
Oh, there you go. Hand sanitizer with its own carabiner on it.
All right, so you can strap this to your backpack or purse or whatever you got going.
And last but not least...
Well, before we get to the last thing, there's something we don't have. So also...
Oh, yes.
Yeah, also, you're going to get to choose a piece of Midlife Crazy merchandise out of our TeeSpring store. So you get to pick whatever you want. T-shirts, tote bags, duffel bag, coffee cups,
whatever
socks,
you want.
Whatever. There's a lot of stuff in
so
there.
You'll get, not all of it, but you'll get to pick one item.
You get to pick one item. One item you get to pick out of there. And last but not least...
The granddaddy big prize is...
There it is. I'm going to focus on it so it'll focus. There we go.
Sorry.
The DJI Osmo Pocket Camera. So if you're not familiar with these little cameras, they are pretty awesome, right? It's a little gimbal camera, so you get a nice steady shot everywhere you go. We took these on our last vacation and filmed the entire cruise just using just 2 of these. So that's what you get. That's the prize pack. Now, you're all saying...
Also, one more thing to go with the camera. It'll be a SIM card.
Oh, yes. An SD card.
Or, sorry, not a SIM card.
Yes, an SD card.
Cut.
Yeah, storage. You'll get an SD card to go with it as well. Okay, and now everybody's going, whoa, what's the word?
What's the word? What do you have to do to enter this grand prize giveaway?
First thing you need to do is subscribe. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please do so.
Yes.
Right? So you need to subscribe to the channel, right? And then the next thing you need to do is you need to type in the comments this word right here.
Dun, 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 dun,
this is the hashtag to use right here.
Hashtags coming up
right there. Hashtag
hashtag Crazy Crew.
Right there.
Just like it is on the back of our shirts.
That's right. And now my phone is ringing. Wow.
You're going to have to edit that out.
This is real life. I'm not going to edit it out. That's real life. The phone ringing. So
can you make it stop ringing?
Yeah. That's real life because we're working still.
We are.
So, so that's the Crazy Crew is the hashtag. You're going to enter. You need to put that in the comments. Once you put that in the comments, we will take your name. It's all. We're going to do it the old-fashioned way. We're going to throw them all into a hat.
Yes, and if everyone does it, we're going to have over 1,000 names in the hat. Yes.
That's a lot of typing.
Yes.
Wow. Hopefully we do.
When do they have to have this done by, sweetheart?
So the giveaway is going to be during our live stream on June the 7th.
And if you don't know, our live stream is at 3:30 Pacific, 6:30 Eastern. Check us out.
Every Sunday.
Every Sunday.
Every Sunday. So that's when we're doing the giveaway is on that day, 3:30 Pacific, 6:30 Eastern. So be there to have a chance to win the prize pack, which we estimate is valued at about
$600.
About $600.
Give or take.
Give or take.
And it is open to international.
Yes, Alex.
If you're out there, Alex.
If you're out there, Alex. So yeah, Canada, Europe, wherever, Australia.
Wow.
Wow.
Yep.
Australia. So it is open to international. So we are going to go because, believe it or not, we have to go back to work.
I've got a conference call.
She's got a conference call, and I've got a bunch of stuff going on. So again, hashtag Crazy Crew. Jump in, put it in the comments below. June 7th, the big giveaway. Until then,
thank you again, everyone who has put us to this point. Before you say go, you can edit that out.
How I would be remiss, if I didn't thank everybody.
Yes, we want to thank everyone who subscribed and got us to that over the 1,000 subscriber mark, and we're having a blast doing our lives. So check us out on our lives on Sunday.
We're having so much fun doing our lives. So thanks again for subscribing, for the folks that have, and again, if you're watching this for the first time and you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Get in on the fun. Get in on a chance to win a big bag of stuff.
Yes, if you win the bag, what do we want them to do, honey?
If you win the bag and you pick a t-shirt or an item or whatever out of our TeeSpring store, we want you to take a picture and post it to our Facebook page. Now, if you don't know the address for our Facebook page, believe it or not, I've got it right here.
Ba-ba-ba-boom.
Right there.
There's
our Facebook page right there. Facebook.com/groups/we are Midlife Crazy.
Yes, we are.
Right? So go ahead and jump on there. I'm going to pop. I'm not going to pump. I'm going to pop. I'm going to pop the hashtag back up on the screen again in case you did not see it before. There it is. Crazy Crew.
Hashtag Crazy Crew. One
on.
comment only, please. Just pop it down below.
Pop it down below. Only one comment per person. Don't cheat.
Now, once you do hashtag Crazy Crew and then you want to comment, please feel free to
if you
do
want to
so.
make another comment, sure.
Yeah.
All right. So we're going to go. Kimberly's got to get on a conference call.
Brod's got to do his sale and then edit this video.
And then edit this video.
And I think this is the fastest video we've ever made.
Yeah. We should have time limits all the time.
I think we're getting good at it.
All right. So for now, we will check you out later. We'll see you on Sunday.
Yes.
3:30 Pacific, 6:30 Eastern. New time, by the way.
Yes.
And I'm Brad.
I'm Kimberly.
And we are
Midlife Crazy. Thanks again.
See you guys.
Bye, guys.
Bye.